Hi all, interesting question. Can we use oil on our scalp? I think you heard the term oils aren't oils, and that's the honest truth. Depends what you're using on your scalp. Some oils for hair, it's got petroleum in it. This is damaging. You can use it on the ends of your hair, but it still will keep it a greasy look, makes it look shiny if that's actually what you want. But it's actually making your hair greasy because it's building a film around your hair. So depending what you're using, I would definitely do the research on what sort of oil or serum you're putting on those ends, because you want something to nourish, close the cuticle of the hair, and it's not making your hair limp. So certain oils will make your hair limp and dry, and because it's all dried and sealed, your hair cannot breathe, thus is causing an oily scalp. So just be aware what oils. I actually like using good serums, and when I talk about serums, I'm actually talking about oils. So there are a lot of good serums which are fairly light. So I tend to like something that's a bit lighter. I would not use cooking oil because it's got petroleum and it's not what it is. Once hair, you want something that's going to help you close those cuticles, and when you blow dry, if you want to leave it, it looks shiny and the hair's got movement. So oils aren't oils. Make sure that your stylist tells you exactly what it's for. Hope this was a good tip.